Bond. Bond. Meaning: connection or link. They share a strong bond of friendship. The covalent bond between the two hydrogen atoms creates a water molecule. Related words: relationship, connection, tie, link, attachment. Combine. Combine. Meaning: to join together. The two companies decided to combine forces to develop a new product. First, combine the flour and sugar in a bowl. Related words: merge, unite, amalgamate, integrate, fuse, connect. Connect. Meaning: to associate or bring into relation in thought, feeling, or memory. It took me a while to connect the dots, but I finally realized he had been lying to me all along. I really connected with my new roommate, and we became best friends within weeks. It took me a while to connect the dots, but I finally realized he had been lying to me all along. Related words: join, link, network, bond, communicate, fuse. Fuse. Meaning: to join or blend together into one. I think we need to replace the blown fuse in the circuit. The fuse box is located in the basement. Related words: breaker, blow, circuit, link. Link. Meaning: connection. Click on the web link to access the article. We decided to install a chain link fence around our yard. Related words: relation, association, tie, junction, connection, merge. Merge. Meaning: combine into one. The artist was able to merge seamlessly different musical genres in his latest album. The two companies decided to merge together and create a stronger market presence. Related words: combine, unite, amalgamate, fuse, integrate, mix. Mix. Meaning: to combine two or more substances together. The chef carefully blended the spices to create the perfect mix of flavors. The bartender prepared a delicious cocktail mix using various spirits and fruit juices. Related words: blend, combine, stir, whisk, intermingle, piece. Piece. Meaning: a part or portion of something. I can't seem to find the missing puzzle piece. Knowing that my family is safe gives me great peace of mind. Related words: part, fragment, section, unit, bit. Splice. Splice. Meaning: join or connect, a rope or rope, concrete, verb. The scientist found a way to efficiently perform genetic splices. The editor made a clean film splice to seamlessly transition between scenes. Related words: merge, connect, integrate, tuck, tuck. Meaning: a fold or pleat in fabric that is stitched. She tucked in the corners of the bedsheet. He likes to tuck away his money in a secret drawer. Related words: fold, tuck in, insert, unite, unite. Meaning: to come together for a common purpose. The two countries decided to unite forces in order to combat the growing terrorist threat. The nonprofit organizations decided to unite their efforts to provide disaster relief to the affected areas. Related words: merge, join, gather, weld, weld. Meaning: join metals by heating, concrete, verb. The blacksmith had to weld together the broken pieces of the gate. The welder used a welding torch to repair the damaged pipeline. Related words: bond, fuse, solder, yoke, yoke. Meaning: a wooden frame joining two animals for work. He felt the heavy yoke of taking care of his sick parents. The farmer put the yoke and harness on the oxen before plowing the field. Related words: harness, collar, plow. What is the meaning of the word? Mix. The answer is D. To combine two or more substances together. What is the meaning of the word? Tuck. The answer is A. A fold or pleat in fabric that is stitched. Which of the following word means to combine two or more substances together? The answer is C. Mix. What is the meaning of the word connect? The answer is A. To associate or bring into relation in thought, feeling, or memory. What is the meaning of the word merge? The answer is B. Combine into one. What is the meaning of the word fuse? The answer is D. To join or blend together into one. What is the meaning of the word unite? The answer is A. To come together for a common purpose. Which of the following word means connection? The answer is C. Link. What is the meaning of the word weld? The answer is C. Join metals by heating, concrete, verb. What is the meaning of the word yoke? The answer is D. A wooden frame joining two animals for work. Which of the following word means combine into one? The answer is B. Merge. What is the meaning of the word combine? The answer is D. To join together. Which of the following word means to join or blend together into one? The answer is A. Fuse. Which of the following word means join metals by heating, concrete, verb? The answer is D. Weld. What is the meaning of the word bond? The answer is B. Connection or link. Which of the following word means a fold or pleat in fabric that is stitched? The answer is B. Tuck. Which of the following word means connection or link? The answer is C. Bond. What is the meaning of the word link? The answer is D. Connection. What is the meaning of the word splice? The answer is D. Join or connect, a rope or rope, concrete, verb. Which of the following word means join or connect, a rope or rope, concrete, verb? The answer is A. Splice. Which of the following word means to associate or bring into relation in thought, feeling, or memory? The answer is A. Connect. Which of the following word means a wooden frame joining two animals for work? The answer is B. Yoke. Which of the following word means to join together? The answer is A. Combine. Which of the following word means to come together for a common purpose? The answer is A. Unite. Which of the following word means a part or portion of something? The answer is C. Piece. What is the meaning of the word peace? The answer is C. A part or portion of something.